Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to track an object in DaVinci Resolve. Before we start, I would appreciate if you leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to take the video to the timeline. Now click here. Right-click here. Insert tool, tracking, planar tracker, inspector. And here we select from the moment we want the tracking. In my case, I want it from the beginning. Set. Here we select hybrid point area, and in the one below, select translation. Now we mark what we want to track, in my case, the animal. Now click here, and we will wait for the tracking to be done. Okay, now we select stabilize, and in case you see this, we'll go here. Inspector, and here in Zoom you can adjust it so that it looks good with the Zoom X and the Zoom Y. If you found the video useful, please leave me a like, a subscribe, and also leave me a shout out in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you.